Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we will explore Tempus AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Tempus AI as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.27. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep monitoring this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 27.8% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 10.61% and 71.77%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI highlights a volatile journey for Tempus AI Inc.'s stock price on Wednesday, moving between $52.55 and $64.25. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, the stock price of Tempus AI Inc. declined by 19.23%, dropping from $65.87 to $53.20. Throughout that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 22.26%, reaching a low of $52.55 and a high of $64.25. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen on 6 occasions, resulting in an overall decrease of 22.8% during this period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 32 million shares, despite the decline in prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 49 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $2.6 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $91.45, while the lowest stood at $22.89. Currently, the price is 41.83%, or $38.25, below the 52-week high of $91.45, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Shares of Tempus AI Inc., trading under the symbol TEM, have recently come under intense scrutiny following multiple allegations of potential fraud and misleading business practices. As of May 28, 2025, various law firms, including Shaw Law Firm, Rosen Law Firm, and Pomerantz LLP, have announced investigations into the company's practices, urging investors to come forward as they believe they have been affected by misleading information. This wave of investigations has led to a significant decline in investor confidence, with TEM's stock plummeting nearly 19% in a single day. As concerns about the company's future mount, the implications of these developments could be profound. In the short term, the continued investigations and negative press may result in further price declines as investors react to the uncertainty surrounding the company's business practices. In the long run, if substantial evidence of wrongdoing is found, it could lead to legal repercussions and potential liabilities that might hinder growth and investor confidence even further. Additionally, this erosion of confidence could impact future funding opportunities and partnerships, which are crucial for a tech company involved in precision medicine and artificial intelligence. While Tempus AI has demonstrated strong revenue growth recently, highlighted by significant contracts and acquisitions, the shadow of these investigations may overshadow its potential, complicating its path toward recovery in the coming months. Investors should remain vigilant as this story unfolds, closely monitoring how these legal issues will affect the company's trajectory and their investment in TEM. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral grade with a hold action, On Wednesday, the 23rd of April 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned TEM a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned TEM a buy grade with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned TEM an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Tempus AI stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the stock receives a strong sell rating from the analysts. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The stock of Tempus AI Incorporated holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the levels of $60.74 and $53.74. A break above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 22.8%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 138 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 23 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. Tempus AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $52.73. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. With a broad prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. In the previous day, the stock fluctuated by $11.70 between its high and low, which represents a change of 22.26%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 12.39%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tempus AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may signal inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Additionally, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at negative 21 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $58.14. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI faces its first support level at $52.73. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tempus AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, West Naja conducted an insider purchase of 1,997 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Leonsis Theodore also made an insider purchase of 1,997 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 20th of May, 2025, Gottlieb Scott conducted an insider purchase of 1,997 shares of Class A common stock. Frederick Wayne AI joined in on the same day, conducting an insider purchase of 1,997 shares of Class A common stock. Finally, on the 20th of May, 2025, Epstein David R. made an insider purchase of 1,997 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 52 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 58.945. In total, insiders purchased 40,607 shares and sold 155,411 shares in the last 52 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? The stock of Tempus AI Inc. presents several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Tempus AI Inc. will face weak performance in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a buy to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of May, we expect Tempus AI to open higher by $3.47, starting at $56.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.